Okay, guys, so I saw this challenge where you take a Q-tip and you make yourself sneeze by sticking it up your nose, but you have to sneeze with your eyes open. That's the hard part.
I hate you. How you get it done?
You touched my snot!